Hello, my loves. It's Ash MSP, and I'm joined here with my beautiful cousin. Hi. Okay. And today we're gonna recreate prom dresses. So let's get started. We're gonna start with this one.
I finished my ice cream.
So, let's go.
That was the first one? Alright.
Yeah. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I saw that before. Yeah, I did.
I feel like we're making too much noise because we're eating ice cream.
I finished my ice cream.
Well, I'm eating ice cream.
Because you take forever. I could have got two.
It's called savoring ice cream. Learn it.
I could have bought 4 tubs of this.
Then why didn't you?
Oh yeah, I can still be like 4 tubs.
No, that's not gonna happen.
I'm joking.
You better be joking.
So, her hair was what? I'm quit. Oh, excuse me.
You're excused.
Let me put this by the windows so when I'm not lazy, I can get up.
There will not be any burping on this channel. Like, just know. Just know, honey. Just know. She ain't got names. I need to find something like that.
Oh, I was about to say on my screen it looks like you're bald, but never mind. Alright! Let me put on some high heels now.
Shut up.
Stop!
Nobody's doing anything here.
No, not you. Okay.
Who is it?
What?
Casper the Friendly Ghost?
No.
Okay.
So let me make everything red.
Okay.
Wait, I saw some red bottom shoes. I'm just gonna wear these.
Okay. Okay, I'll stop. Alright! I'm pretty sure they can't even hear the music.
I'm done.
I'm almost done. I don't know, I think this is the closest I can find it. But yeah. Comment down below who won the first round.
This is me.
And that's me.
That's me.
Obviously, they can't see your finger. This is her, and that's me.
So this is number 1, and that's number 2.
Okay. Next. That's a pretty dress. This one. That's a really pretty dress.
Alright.
I think I already found a one for it.
Excuse me.
You're excused. Stop burping.
Found it. I found it.
Cool.
I'm gonna look for a big one.
That's what you dress? Girl.
This is my dress.
Girl.
Alright. Now she was wearing blue and what?
Blue and pink.
Alright, blue and pink. I'm gonna look for like a alright. And then the other one is gonna be pink.
Shut up.
Alright. So she had a ponytail in her hair?
No.
Her hair was out?
No. It's in a bun.
Oh, I didn't see that. Alright, then let's for style.
If only MSP had multicolored skirts.
Yeah.
If only.
This bun doesn't look good on me.
Yeah, I could see that.
So I guess I'm just gonna change it to something else.
My ice cream is melting.
Bruh. I should charge my tablet.
Alright. Want to pause the video then? Or are you already done?
I'm already done.
Alright.
That made a big noise.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Alright. These looks nice.
Thank you.
I guess I'll wear this.
What?
Let me see my
Yikes.
Let me look for something else because right now my outfit is complete, only the hair. So, right here.
Yeah.
Oh, found it!
Okay.
I don't look good. Oh, thank you.
Who said she had bangs?
So is this the first time YouTube is gonna hear your voice?
Yeah. Surprise!
On my channel, I guess everyone knows how I sound.
Go subscribe to her channel. I forgot your channel name. I think it's Lily Star.
Lily Star. It's uppercase Lily.
Okay, we don't need to know all that. Okay, we get it.
But there's a lot of Lily Stars. So it's the purple hair girl that's holding
ugly.
Starbucks. I like purple, so yeah. Finally, I found it. Alright. I'm done.
Awesome. What? He knocks on the door and then he goes away. What is this? Why can I not find any buns?
I found the bun. For the first time forever.
What category did you look in?
Style.
Oh, I hate my life. Wow, that was easy. Right in front of my face. Oh. Okay, so this is how the picture looks like, and this is us. Comment down below who won, and let's go to the next one.
Yeah!
Please stop. This is it.
Alright. Let's begin.
This is easy.
Alright. I think we did this on Bitmoji. Like making
Yeah,
people.
we did.
Yeah. But Bitmoji didn't have that much clothes. So.
No offense, but emoji stuffs are.
But we still love you, Miss B. Alright. So.
I'm so obsessed with drama.
Let's go to Gala again.
I
Alright.
think I lost it. No. In the end.
What?
Question? Oh, never mind. I have no question for you.
Oh, what? I see her hair.
Yes, 1 second. I'm so amazing.
Okay, I found. I know what hair that is.
That's easy.
What? I found.
That wasn't that hard.
Now I gotta look. I don't know what color it's like. Oh, I was about to put this on. Look at my picture.
Yikes.
Alright.
That's yours?
Let me just hide mine.
Boom. I found the right one.
Trying to hide my heels. Because
Yep,
they're
I
showing.
found it. I'm done.
I'm done too.
Alright. This is the picture. And this is us. Comment down below who won this one.
This is what it looks like on my screen.
Okay. And I think we have room for one last one. Do you think so, or should we end it here?
I think we should end here.
Alright. Thank you guys so much for washing washing clothes. Thank you guys so much for washing your computers. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you in the next episode. Or what? You see? I can't do my outro anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye. Air rape.